Hello and welcome to a new lecture. In this lecture, we're going to show how we can measure different entities of the 3D model. For example, how we can measure the area surface of this face, or angle between this face and this face, or length of this line, or maybe diameter of this hole. For this, we're going to use a tool. So let's go on the Evaluate tab, and here on the left we have a measure. So let's click on it. And now appears a dialog box. Here we have to put entities we want to measure. For example, the area surface of this face. So let's just simply click on this face. And here we have our area surface. If you want to delete this, just right click and clear selections. If you want to measure the diameter of this hole, just simply click on this circle and we have a diameter here. Or you want to measure the length of this line, so just simply click on this line and we have a length here. The second way to measure the length is to click on this face and then click on this face. We have normal distance 50 mm as well. Let's clear selection and let's try to measure the angle between this face and this face. So let's click here on this face and now click on this face, and here we have an angle. Let's delete it. And now if we want to change our units, we can go here, units precision, click on it, and here we can change length unit, so we can go to inches, and here we can change angular units, so we can go to radians, and let's click OK. So now if we want to measure the length of this line, it will be in inches, or if you want to measure the angle, it will be in radians. Let's clear this and exit. And this is how you can measure different entities on 3D model in Solidworks. See you in the next lecture.